Hello everyone! Today, we're going to solve a math problem that many people often get wrong. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know what topics you'd like to see in future videos by leaving a comment below. First off, it's crucial to understand the order of operations in mathematics. Here's the sequence. First, operations inside parentheses. Next, exponents. Then, multiplication and division, from left to right. And finally, addition and subtraction, from left to right. Now let's look at our operations. Subtraction, parentheses. Subtraction and multiplication inside parentheses. First, look inside the parentheses. There are subtraction and multiplication inside. And multiplication is done from these. 4 times 2 equals 8. Let's rewrite the rest of the operation. Now we'll do the subtraction. 10 minus 8 equals 2. Finally, we do the 8 minus 2 operation, which equals 6. Now it's your turn. You're going to solve this question. Pause the video and see if you can figure out the answer. I'm solving it. Feel free to follow along. Solve this question and write your answer in the comments. I hope you understood the solution. To support me and help me continue making content like this, please like the video and leave a comment. See you in the next video. Goodbye.